A U.S. defense bill may be problematic for USDC and other stablecoins in the cryptocurrency market. We're going to talk about that in this video. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. And when it comes to stablecoins, we know that these are in particular, they're in a particular category when it comes to cryptocurrency. It's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum and what's a security and what's not. Stablecoins, very, very different conversation because it essentially acts as the US dollar and it's not, right? So this is something very, very fascinating. And this U.S. defense bill that we're going to talk about in this video may be problematic for Circle, the company who backs USDC. However, this, again, doesn't directly impact Bitcoin, Ethereum, what's a security, all the other altcoins. It's more of a stablecoin issue. I think when we think about regulation right now, we got to think about it in two different categories. I think one is stablecoins, the other is securities versus commodities, right? So with that being said, Circle's USD coin and other stablecoins could face a rocky road ahead if a new national defense bill that passed in the United States Senate makes it all the way. Now, in a July 31st investment note seen by Cointelegraph, one of the big outlets out there in our cryptocurrency market, an analyst, Mark Palmer, explained that a recent amendment to the 2024 National Defense Authorization Act, or NDAA, could potentially introduce new KYC measures and anti-money laundering measures that stablecoin issuers will be unhappy to comply with. Now, the amendment would actually require the U.S. Treasury Secretary to go forward and establish examination standards for crypto assets that would help regulators to ensure compliance. Again, help issues with money laundering, compliance with money laundering, and sanctions laws. So, why could this be problematic? Well, Palmer explained that the identities of stablecoin holders can only be determined when the asset is issued and redeemed. Such an outcome would likely cause further deterioration in USDC's market cap. In recent months, USD's market cap has been on the decline, falling $17.5 billion, roughly 39% since March 5th. Recently, we saw XRP actually surpass USDC. Now, it could be a significant setback for Circle. It could also provide problematic issues for Coinbase. Of course, Coinbase utilizes USDC as its official stablecoin. The exchange derived 27% of its net revenue from interest income on USDC in the first quarter of the year. Since the beginning of the year, Coinbase shares have drastically outperformed traditional equities markets, though, surging 170% from a price of $33 back on January 1st to now over $98 at the time of this recording. So with all of this said, I'm not here to say it's doomsday and it's all over, right? What I am here to say is we've said this long ago that stablecoins are just different and they're going to be regulated different, in my opinion, as well. And we're just going to have to wait and see how this plays out. Now, I'll tell you this. I don't keep a lot of money in any stablecoin. When I get it into a stablecoin, I quickly get it to cash. I don't hold a lot of stablecoins because of this sort of stuff, right? And again, I don't think this is a doomsday event. I don't. And I don't think they're going to completely get rid of stablecoins. The bottom line is here, though, they haven't figured out a way to really regulate it that makes sense for everybody involved. So basically what I'm trying to say here is we're going to see some bumps in the road here. There's going to be a rocky, windy road in order for us to get to a point where we have some clarity as it relates to stablecoins. And again, I look at this as totally separate from the other issue. You know, what is Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin's a commodity. At least we think so. Ethereum is too. But what is everything else? I think that's a whole separate issue, right? That goes to the XRP lawsuit. What should be a security, what's not. So that's what we've got for you in this video, guys. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll be keeping tabs on everything in this crypto market, including what's going to go on with stable coins here. It's going to be very important to watch over the next few months as we close out 2023. We'll see you.